welcome back to my channel, The Creative Flamingo. I'm Jay, and today we have another gift basket video. I know Christmas is literally around the corner, but this may give you some inspiration for those last minute gifts. And with that said, let's just get into this video, and I even include one for the little doggos. So the first bag I'm making for a friend because she is as crazy about her fur baby as I am about mine. So I just think it would be a cute idea to make her fur baby a gift basket too. Okay, but can we just talk about how cute this little puppy shirt is with Charlie Brown? Adorable. I use just a Christmas sticker to cover the price on here, so that's a good tip. If you don't want the price to show, just use a cute Christmas sticker to cover. And this is just a planner sticker, but this one is finished. I'm not going to do any bows or bags because it is for a dog, but it's still cute and adorable. This next basket I'm going to make in this cookie bags container, and I got it at Dollar Tree, and you get 2 of them. And I'm showing you because it comes with like a cardboard hard bottom, and it even comes with tags. So I'm going to have a variety of baskets in this video. Some are going to be over the top and some are going to be simple because we need a little variety in our life. Going to do now is just take rolled up pieces of tape and stick it on the bottom of these items so that they don't kind of roll around. You can use sticky dots, glue dots, any of that, but I'm just going to use tape because that's what I have on hand. I secure all of my gift bags and my bows and tags with just pipe cleaners, and I usually just cut them in half. So this basket is going to be for my friend, and it's going to be a Bath and Body Works basket because she graduated with her nurse practitioner license, and I wanted to celebrate her. She loves to relax in the bath, so I thought this would be a cute idea. Going to use a blow dryer, and this is not shrink wrap. This is just plastic wrap from Dollar Tree, but it will get smaller and look a little better because it's plastic, and plastic will shrink. So this is just a little gift bag from Dollar Tree, and it came with a pack of them, and this one has little snowflakes, so it'll be cute to me with the little snowman mug. So I'm just gonna put this in first. And not all gift baskets have to be technically a basket. So I'm just showing a variety, like I said before. This is just some hot cocoa mix. I got it in a tin with cookies, but I didn't want the cocoa mix, so I'm gonna put it in here. Well, that's the end of this video. I really appreciate you for watching, especially if you made it to the end. And I hope this gave you some last minute inspiration for those last minute Christmas gifts and holiday gifts. And with that said, I will see y'all next time. Bye.